Welcome back to Playful Whimsies. Today we're going to read I Can Read Pete the Cat, Day at the Farm. And this is a long vowel review. This is by James Dean. So these are some of the long vowels words. This is long A, nay, say, and today. Long E, which remember it says E, meow, Pete. Long I, likes. Long O, goats, nose. And then here's long U and O, cock-a-doodle-doo, do, moo, roosters, you. And remember that there are different spellings for the long vowel sounds. Always good to remember when you're working on reading. Pete the cat is at the farm today. He likes to sing to the animals. E-I-E-I-O. Pete sings to the cows. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. What do the cows say? Moo. Pete sings to the horses. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. What do the horses say? Neigh. Pete sings to the goats. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. What do the goats say? Bah. Say it with me. Bah. Can be a lot of fun to make animal noises. Pete sings to the roosters. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. What do the roosters say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Pete sings to the cats. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Pete knows what the cats say. Do you know? Meow. And that is the end of our Playful Whimsies today. I hope you enjoyed that book. It's just a really short book, but it's a fun one. So come back again and join me for another Playful Whimsies later this week. Have a beautiful day.